Nice to meet you. You want to come out and say hi? Are you ready to come out? Hi. Hi, mister. Yeah. Oh. What? Here, let me get you. Umi, can I have this? Move your booty. Oh, I don't want to scare everyone. There you go. Now you can jump down. Hi. Hi, Ledger. Are you being nice today? Hi, Earl. Hi. Oh, you're a sweet boy. Earl. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi. Boop. Can I touch your... Oh, Tigra, what are you yelling about? Kids, he needs to come down, but... Tigra, don't hit people. Oh, Lion. Tigra, come on. Stop hitting people. Stop hitting the other kitties. Lion does nothing wrong ever. He's never done anything wrong in his life ever. You don't hit him. Yes, and there's my son. There's my son. There's my son. Don't bite me. I know that's all you know how to do. You bite people. Oh, where'd Earl go? Earl? Oh no! Hershey, that's not helpful. He's there you go, Earl. Hi. Oh, you want to be friends with him? You want to be friends? You want to ignore his boundaries and be weird? It's okay. Tigra. Oh, are you upset that there's another gray cat in here to compete with? Is that why you're so extra sassy? Is that why Tigra's extra sassy? Earl, I don't think you're going to be here long. No. Everyone. It's okay. Good boy, see? Ignatius is just chilling. He's just sniffing. Uh-oh. Watch out, Anchovy. Wait, no. You're not Anchovy. Where is Anchovy? Where's Anchovy? No. Hi, Bono. It looks like someone was interested in you and Lion. That'd be fun to go together. Buddies. Good boy, Earl. Tigra. Don't hit the new kid. Don't. No, you can go hit your boyfriend instead. Hi, Tigra. Don't. Earl's new and he's nervous. Not terribly nervous. Don't. Tigra, you're so small. Hi, bud. You're such a good boy. Hi. 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 Hi, Cyrus. Freddy! Can I pet Freddy? Come on, Freddy. No. Tigra. Watching you. I have my eye on you. Yeah. You're a happy boy. Do you know already this is where the food comes from? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, hi, Bono. What you doing, Bono? Are you gonna be nice? You gonna be nice to him? Good boy. Yeah, be careful. Yeah, it's not safe. Yeah, it's not safe. You're gonna get smacked if you go that way. Yeah. Can you touch your toes? Nope. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, sir. Hi. Umi, what you doing? You just chilling? Meh. Meh. Tigra's like, I'm the only one who's allowed to slap him. I know. Getting slapped by everyone today, huh? Poor Umi. But Earl's being nice. Yeah, you're adjusting really well. Yeah. Hi, Hershey. Hi, Hershey. Hi. Oh, whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to kick your toes. Hi. Oh, what are you doing? What you doing? Hi.